Good evening, students. Good evening. How many students with me today evening?
Doctor,
Yeah,
I
yes.
am here with you, but the student there, doctor, in Moodle.
They are in Moodle.
Yes, they're in Moodle. Yes.
I inform in the I told clearly via Zoom. I don't know Zoom connecting or not connecting. If it is connecting, okay. If it is not connecting, ask all the students to come to Zoom.
Okay, doctor. I will inform.
Maybe connecting. I connecting now. Maybe sometimes it will be working. It will take some time.
I send now, the link for them. يا جماعة تعالوا الزوم، الدكتور ينتظر. الحين هم معانا هنا في الموديل. Yes, doctor. Good evening.
This is our last class discussion about problem for final. Okay, that is on 23/3, last class discussion. That problem I open now. Problem 1, answer. Problem 2, answer. Problem 3, this is for student to solve in the home. Problem 4, answer. Then problem 4 is answer, and I given this problem number 5 to solve for the students in the home. What is problem number 6? Problem number 6 for today discussion.
Dr. Ibrahim,
Yes.
I think there is echo and confusing.
In any one of that?
Both, doctor. So the sound coming from 2.
Echo is coming?
Yes, from 2.
You can close any one, no problem. I open.
Okay.
You can close any one.
Okay.
Anyone you
I will close model. Okay, doctor.
No problem, no problem. That's
okay.
Students, you can close either Moodle or this one is also okay. You can come anyone, either Moodle or Zoom, whatever convenient for you.
Okay, I hope you follow. I hope.
In the problem 6 already given in our chapter, this problem number 6, a cloud provider deploying new software as a service, product comprised of a cloud service. As a part of deployment, the cloud provider may be Google, maybe Microsoft or Amazon, anything. Cloud provider wants to publish a service level agreement, SLA, that provide an availability rate based on the estimated availability over next 12 months. 12 months means, I am reading from here, 12 months, 1 year. First, the cloud provider estimate that based on historical data. Historical data means already existing data of cloud environment, whatever you stored. For example, if you store anything from your WhatsApp, backup everything available in the cloud. There is 25% of chance that physical server hosting the cloud service will crash, and such a crash would 2 days before the cloud would be restored. That such a crash would 2 days before cloud service could be restored. It is further estimated that over the course of 12 months period, there will be various attacks on cloud service, resulting in total of 24 hours, total of 22 hours downtime. Based on these estimates, what is the availability rate of cloud service that should be published in SLA, level of agreement? So how to solve this problem? So what is your understanding from this problem? Our agreement is 12 months, 25 percentage chances of physical server hosting service will crash, and for 2 days before the cloud service could be restored. So we need to calculate for 25% availability for totally 48 hours. How this 48 hours? That means 2 days becomes 48 hours. So 48 hours crash recovery. That means 0.25. So you can have. Yes, students, can you see the screen, right? 0.2 multiplied by 48. It will be 12. Two minutes. It will be taking some time for system. I don't know why it will be. Students, can you see the screen?
Yes, clear, Doctor.
Okay. 0.5 crash probability and 48. So 0.25 multiplied by 0.25 48. Why 48? We have 2 days. 2 days before the cloud service could be restored. So it will be hours crash recovery. 12 hours crash downtime plus 24 hours for downtime. We have 12 24 attack downtime. Okay. So already we have 25 days physical downtime is crashing, such that 2 days before the crash, it is estimated that over the crash of the period and resulting 24 hours downtime. So already 12 hours plus 24 hours, 36 hours total downtime. That is what we need to find. So already you have 12 hours downtime plus 24 hours downtime. Total downtime 36 hours. So now we need to calculate how many hours total working. So 1 day 24 hours. So total period of time 12 months. 12 months means we can take it 365 days. So total 365 days equivalent to 8,760. So how to calculate? We can take 24 multiply by 365 days. 8,760. Total hours during measured period. So how much time the system will not be available? That means downtime. Downtime is 36. How much time available? How you can get 36? 36 means here we need to read the understanding. First, the cloud provider estimate that based on the historical data of the cloud environment, there is 25%. 25% you have to take 0.25. How this 0.25 will come? The 0.25 will come 25 divided by 100. That's why it will be 0.25. Multiply 48. Why this 48? 2 days before the cloud service could restore, will crash, such that crash could be 2 days. It further estimate that over the course of 12 months period, there will be various attack on the cloud service resulting 24 hours. So already 12 plus 24. So totally 36 hours the downtime. So from 36 hours downtime, we need to calculate overall working time. Overall working time, 1 day, this is 36 downtime. Overall working time, 24 hours 1 day. 12 months it will be working totally. 12 months. 12 months, how many days? 365 days. 12 months or 1 year, both are same meaning. So 8,760, 760. So 36 divided by 8,760 equivalent to 0.0004. Not available. Multiply by 100. That is 0.4. So how much time available? The availability is 100. How much time not available? 0.4. That equivalent to 99.6% availability rate. Okay. So this is what a calculation. So in the problem, I just take this problem. You can read in the home and understand. How much availability rate for problem number 6. So same calculation. For example, it has 45% of chance that the physical server hosting will crash 1.5 days before the cloud service could be restored. If we estimate a 12 months period of total cloud services, the resulting of 24 hours downtime, based on this estimate, what is the availability rate would be published in service level agreement. Here recording, I didn't put the record, no problem. Here recording is going on. You want, I can start record also. Yes, students, this is how to solve this problem. Now we need to take 45%. So 45%, the server has some problem, physical server crash. So what we can take here, you have a chances of crash. So crash percentage 45%. Step number 1, you can take step 1, crash time 45% equivalent to 0.45. How far? 0.45, 45 divided by 100 equivalent to 0.45. Okay. So the crash could be 1.5 days before the service could be restored. So that's why multiply by 1.5 days. So you know 1.5 days, how many, the same formula here, 48. Here we need 1.5 days. So 1.5 days you need to convert it to hours. So 1 day, how many hours? 24. 1.5 plus 12. So you need to multiply with 36 hours. That is our calculation. There we multiply with 48 hours because 2 days. Here 1.5 days. So equivalent to how much? 0.45 multiplied by 36 hours equivalent to 16.2. So 16.2 hours. Downtime for first part. The second part, second step, step number 2. Resulting various attack, due to the various attack, total 24 hours downtime. So what we need to do, already you have 16.2 hours plus 24 hours downtime equivalent to how much? 16.2 plus 24. Totally 40.2 hours server not available. So this is called total downtime. So same order. If you check before, same order. 12 hours crash downtime, 24 hours attack downtime. So if you want to clearly mention, total time downtime is, this is cross time, cross downtime plus 24 hours attack. Attack means maybe virus. So total downtime hours. Step number 3. What is step number 3? The step number 3, we need to calculate total hours working. Total hours working. How much total hours working? Total hours working 12 months. So 12 months, 1 month, total 12 months we have. Why coming and going? Total 12 hours. Okay. You have 360 days. So 1 day 24 hours multiplied by 365 days equivalent to, you can calculate this one. 24 multiplied by 365. How much is coming? 24 multiplied by 365. This is coming same for first problem and second problem. 8,760 hours total working. Step number 4. So step number 4, what do you need to find? You need to find how much time cloud service not available. So what is the formula? Already you have 40.2 hours not available. How many hours available? 8,760 equivalent to 40.2 divided by 8,760. That is approximately 0.0045. Okay. Before problem, it is 36. Now 45. Okay. 45%, but the result is approximately coming 0.0045. That is, I can take 0.0045. So step number 5. In the step number 5, what we need to take, the same like our before problem. Multiply by 0.0045 multiplied by 100 equivalent to how much it will be? Here multiplied by 100. So it will be 0.4589. You can take 0.458. Okay. Now you need to calculate availability, overall availability. The overall availability 100 minus how much time not available? 458. So 100 available, this much not available. So 100 minus 0.458. So 99.54. 99.542. 99.542. So step number 7, the availability rate is what we need to find. The availability rating is 99.542. Okay, this is answer. Answer for the second problem. The problem number 6. This is problem number 7. So anybody having any doubt or anything, you can ask me. Okay, but we need to do as a step is better in the problem. In the final exam, you need to do as a steps. Okay. This after this class, I will put in the Moodle. Now we can, students, any problem or anything? Now chapter 4 and 5 finished completely. Now let us go to chapter 6 and 7. Chapter 6 and 7 for video formats, multimedia, networking, HTML5 for collaborative computing. So the chapters are given in the Moodle already. Video formats, multimedia, networking, HTML5 for collaborative computing. Okay, students, it is given already. So what we need to discuss? We need to discuss what are the different type of files, file type, which is going to be useful for our collaborative computing. So I listed some of the file which you know already well familiar with these file formats. The first file format, MOV. Those who are using iPhone, you have a QuickTime Movie. QuickTime Movie. This QuickTime Movie is very much used for cloud applications or collaborative work. So that is going to be support for our all the cloud related applications. Originally created by Apple, file info and compression. Compression means reduce the file size. We have auto also for video, can streamed, fast start, common compression format, H2.4, and Sreesan's video animations. The platforms, Apple QuickTime Player, which is available for Mac and Windows. This is a common file type which is needed for our cloud and collaborative computing. Next, you have AVI file format. Doctor, how we can find? Everybody having laptop or mobile phone, probably if you go inside, you have a type. You have a type. Students are the, what is that? Zoom will be closed after 10 minutes. So I am now right now available with both Big Blue Button and Zoom. So you can come either one of that one, no problem for me, okay? After closed. Better to come in Big Blue Button is also okay for me. I'm waiting there, okay? Because you know Zoom will be closed after for every 40 minutes. We need to re-log in, okay? So what do you mean by the type? The type is nothing but, if you see here, I have my class file, the classes, that is whatever the recorded file, MP4 video, then Microsoft presentation. If you open, this is available, readily available in your laptop. You can see. I'm not going to teach anything new for you. For example, PNG, portable network graphics. Same like that. We need to know about the file format and compressions. Like that, you have .mov file type. So you can search inside and find out, no problem. From your system itself. If you have iPhone, if you have a Mac system, if you have a Windows operating system, if you have Android, everything you have it, then you can find. What is important? The important thing, who was created, what is the use of this file information, what is a platform we can use. Platform means what is the operating system, we can use it. Okay. So here we have MPEG, first AVI, this is MOV for QuickTime Movie, AVI for audio video interleave, It is created by Intel Corporation. Common compressed method like Microsoft run length encoding method, Intel Indio video, primarily used on Windows, but Apple QuickTime Player can play AVI files. MPG format. This format, all IT students and IS students must know, because this mainly we are using for cloud computing and collaboration work. The MPEG, full form for MPEG, Motion Picture Export Group. MPEG, okay, Motion Picture Export Group. This is the name of the company created. For DVD video, high definition DVD, high definition HD DV, high definition television. All those things we can use, cross-platform. Then DivX, DIVX. There is no full form. The MPEG full form, Motion Picture Export Group. AVI full form, Audio Video Interleave. MOV full form QuickTime Movie. So here you have the format. The formats are DivX, Kodak, Coder and Decoder, which is based on MBUG 4. Popular format for movie because of its high compression ratio, image qualities, high image quality and compression ratio, small file size. AVI is a common container file format. What are the different format it can be used? It can be used for downloading DivX coder, Windows Media Player, and common Kodak format. So these things are more important for common file format. Another format, MP4. MP4 is a normal format because if you open any file, normally it is going to be recorded. Even Zoom is going to be recorded in MP4 latest format. There is no MP5, MP6 is available right now. So after that, whatever the Zoom recording, MP4 video. What is MP4? Motion Picture Export Group 4. Motion Picture Export Group. If some of the students already studied in computer graphics and multimedia, probably they know about what is MBUG. Motion Picture Expert Group. The full form is given in the first slide of chapter 6. Motion Picture Expert Group. What is the advantage? The advantage, cross-platform, any platform you have, any operating system you have, either Android or Windows or Macintosh, anything it will be runnable. Motion Picture Export Group. Video coder. Coder means, Kodak means Kodak. Coder and decoder. Compression and decompression. H264. Audio coder, AAC. One of the HTML5 video format. HTML5. You know HTML already, hypertext markup language, but we are using 5. 5 is especially used for multimedia, animations, and other computer graphics and everything. Play web browsers that support MP4 format of HTML video. HTML video format. Zoom is working. Yes, still 3 minutes are existing. No problem. Consideration for file type. What is we mainly? So far we discussed about common file format. We have MP4 and OGG, OGV, audio video interleave. Then what is the advantage? Like Kodak and video. And WebM. WebM is mainly used for open source video format from Google, also available. So it has a video coder and decoder, audio coder and decoder. Okay, play the web browser and support for WebM multimedia, web multimedia format, video. It is going to be supported in Firefox, Chrome, Opera browsers, all those things. Another type of file format, FLV, Flash video, Adobe, progressive download can be streamed, common compression methods, cross-platform. F4V, Flash video with Adobe. This is manufacturing by Adobe Photoshop. WMV, Windows Media File, manufactured by, originally created by Microsoft. Then the platform which is going to be supported. So first 3 slides, what is a common video format, file format, which is going to be supported for our collaborative work, for our video and audio operations. So in the questions, maybe list any 3 or 4 file types which are commonly used for collaboration work. That will be our final exam question. Any 3. whatever you like. So I'm not going to completely asking you about list all those things like that. Okay, it's a common thing. What is main idea behind this discussion? File size restriction, then intended audience, then future editing. Future editing also needed because you know already collaboration work, one or more people can make a movie on the online system. You know already how to make a Google drawing. Same idea. Probably you can make a project to make a movie editing together. Together, one or more collaborators can do the movie editing process or multimedia movie making. That time, probably it will be very useful for you. Students, it will be, Zoom will be closed after 1 minute. You can come in the big blue button, no problem. Otherwise, I will open Zoom again. Okay. Better to come in big blue button.